The majority of symbols used in this design are those from the standard set that comes with gCADPlus. So if I select this symbol here, you can see it's U-plant symbol number 92. We have a convention where we say U-plant symbol 92 are ones that come with gCADPlus. There's no reason on earth why you can't make your own symbols and add them to the gCADPlus library. Here's an example of a symbol that I've made here to represent maybe a blue spruce, but quite a tall tree. And if we look at the layout plan, you can see I've got a cyan line just on the inside of the symbol, which sort of gives it quite a nice three-dimensional feel. And what I'd like is for that symbol to be available to me in other work. The way to do that is to select the symbol. I'll copy it and move a copy of it off to the side and finish there. Then explode the symbol so it's broken up into its constituent parts. And what we can then do is grab all of the entities that make the symbol up and copy to the clipboard. If I then say make a brand new drawing with the default template and right click and paste it from the clipboard, nominate say 0, 0 as the insertion point and then zoom extents, we'll have our symbol in a separate drawing. I'll just check the width and we've got about 3.5, 3 1/3 meters wide. So it's now a symbol, well sorry, it's a drawing on its own called No Name. I'll just take the precaution to select everything and then move the center point to 0, 0. That's a little better. Now zoom extents. What that means is if I turn this into a standard plant symbol that we're going to be able to use in future, whenever we use it and bring it in, it'll be anchored at that central point. So now we turn it into a block that follows doesn't actually have to follow the naming convention that we use. In fact, what we'll do, we'll go File and Save As, and we're going to put the block into the My Documents folder. So I need to go to Users and into the My Documents folder. You'll have a similar folder and scroll down to gCADPlus. I'm using gCADPlus version 4 here, into the blocks folder, and that represents a tall tree. So why don't we put it into the standard group, and what I'll do is sorry, not the standard group, it's a sized group, and in the tall trees. And let's say for the sake of argument that I'm not happy with the current U-plant symbol 23. What I'm going to do now is override it with this new one. Now you could give it a name like AA test or any name you like, but if we call it and replace the existing one, it's now in our block library living in our computer system. So what I can do now is close that one, and I can close this drawing. We'll just leave it open and start a brand new drawing. And let's draw a line to give us some sort of sense of scale. So we'll say line at sort of 5 meters, an angle of 35 degrees, and exit. So we have a line and zoom extents. We have a line in a brand new drawing. And now I want to bring in that block. So we go to the library drop down to plants, size, and we put it in the tall trees category. And we, of course, can scale down through all of the existing tall tree symbols. And there it is, number 23, replacing the earlier one. So we can open it and insert it into this drawing, and in it comes anchored correctly, and down it goes. So every new session of gCADPlus that you run with, and you do have to shut down and start up again to be able to pick up the new symbol that you've put into your symbol library, that symbol will be available to you now in each and every future job.